Excuse
Okay,
me, ma'am.
sure. Yes, Maida, go ahead.
My light is gone, so there is dark in my room.
That,
It's
that's
it's
okay.
okay if it's dark.
Yes,
Okay.
that's okay. I understand that.
Okay.
Uh, I don't know. There has been uh, uh, power breakdown for almost everyone for past couple days. The day before yesterday, or maybe it was the last night. I don't remember. Yeah, it was the day before yesterday. Before midnight, my power went out, and I read in the newspaper that it was in the whole country. And this morning, when I was getting ready for university, like I was about to leave my home, power went out again. And while I was driving to university, I noticed that most people were without power. All right, let's begin. Let's get started. Shaista, good morning. How are you? Hello,
Yes, ma'am, I'm fine.
Khadija
Hello, ma'am.
Umar. Muhammad Arif.
Assalamu alaikum, ma'am.
Assalamu alaikum. Muhammad Arif, please turn on your camera. Muhammad Bilal Afzal, Khadija Zubair, everyone, please turn on your cameras and have them on during the whole session. All right, let's get started. So, before I begin, I would like to ask you informally, how was your winter vacation? Did you have a good, restful break, or did you have a productive break, or did you just lounge around, did nothing, anything? Is there anything that you would like to share?
Ma'am, it was too busy.
Was it? How so, and why?
Ma'am, because of my work, as I told you before.
Okay, yeah. Well, it was a
I'm not
bit
only
busy
studying.
for. Who is
Yes.
speaking? Please turn on your camera.
Khansa Kamar.
Oh, Khansa. Yes. Khansa, please speak a bit louder. I can't hear you properly.
Ma'am, it was too busy because of my work. I have told you before.
Yes.
I have started my own boutique, so that's why.
Okay. That's okay, Bilal. I have noticed that you are having video connectivity issues, but I request you to keep your camera on next time, all right? Mine was busy as well. I was traveling actually during the whole winter break. As I told you that my in-laws, they live in another city, which is Bahawalpur. Same is the case for my parents who live in Jhang. So first I went to Bahawalpur. I spent almost 7 days there, and then I went to see my parents. So it was kind of a family reunion during the winter break, and I'm glad that I got to spend some time with my parents that I usually do not get time for that. Um, Khadija, that's okay. Let's begin. Let's begin our today's session. I wanted to hold this session for taking your questions for your midterm exam, which is planned for this coming Friday, which is going to be January the 15th. I have already discussed the format. I have already discussed the syllabus. See, thus far for our syllabus, we have covered pretty much everything or except for features. We have covered columns, we have covered editorials, we have covered letters to the editor. So what is left in our syllabus so far is features and review articles. These two things are essentially left in our syllabus. Other than that, we have covered pretty much everything. And your syllabus includes everything that we have covered until um, we we went for Christmas break. Okay, so okay, about the format, I did a minor variation for the format. You might want to note it down. Earlier I told you that I will give you a 10 marks question for writing, remember? But now that question will be worth 20 marks. Okay, rest of the 10 marks will be either multiple choice questions or true false statements or short answers. It can be anything. Okay, this is just minor change that I have made in the format of your midterm exam. The rest is still same. The midterm exam uh, has 30% weightage for overall evaluation, and its duration is going to be 50 minutes. It will begin at 9 sharp and you will take this exam on Moodle, and the portal will be closed at 50 minutes past 9. ठीक है? बेटे, please make sure you have strong internet for that day. Please make sure you have a backup for your devices. Your devices are fully charged and everything, because I cannot do a retake. This happened to one of your class fellows last time when I gave you quiz exam. Her problem, I don't remember who that person was, but the problem was that the person could not finish the exam, and his or her power went out, and then the person contacted me that, see, I did only 98% of the exam, and I was only left with 1 or 2 questions. Can you please open up the portal again and let me finish the exam? See, that is not possible for me. I cannot do that. If I open up the portal, it will start over the whole exam for you. It won't take you to the point where you left. It won't take you there, which means you will have to do another attempt. But the policy is that each student can take only 1 attempt. And in that way, I cannot maintain the uniformity, like a uniform policy for everyone. So it's not possible. For that reason, I keep insisting, make sure for the day you take your exam, you have a really strong internet connection, have your cellular data available, and also you make sure that you have your device fully charged. With that said, I'll not hold any online session during the time you take your exam, but I will be very alert and vigilant on email. If you face any problem, write me an email and I should be able to assist you. Now I will let you ask questions if you have any. And then I will talk about your presentations, which is going to be 2 weeks after, 1 or 2 weeks after you take your midterm. I'll talk about that later, but for now I'll let you ask questions related to your midterm exam if you have any.
Ma'am, what will be the word limit of 20 marks question?
Word limit, well, for the writing section, word limit can be 200 to 300 words. Okay? And for the what's that called, for the other part of the exam, which is going to be on any objective type of question, it can be true false statement or multiple choice questions, there will be only 10. So you don't have to worry about word limit there. Only word limit which you want is related to the writing section. When I give you the question, I'll mention the word limit. Ideally 300 to 350 words. Okay?
Thank you.
But time limit, I think that is something you all should be careful about. Time limit is 50 minutes. Okay? And if anyone joins the exam late, of course, you won't be given any extra time because the portal will be closed at 50 minutes past 9 sharp. Let's say if you join late for some reason, if you begin your exam at 9:15 or 9:30, you are eventually going to have only 30 minutes or 15 minutes or 20 minutes to take the exam respectively. Any other question? All right. If you do not have any questions, yeah, sure, go ahead, please.
Ma'am, the syllabus would be the same that you mentioned earlier, or
Yes.
Okay.
But a syllabus includes everything that we have covered before we went on winter break. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I assume you do not have any more questions. So I am now going to talk about the presentations that you will do a week after or 2 weeks after you do your midterm exams. Now, I initially planned that we will do those presentations in class in face-to-face settings, but I am, the situation right now is very uncertain. It is decided that we will be back on campus on February 1st. but still there is uncertainty related to that. So I do not know. I have two possibilities. I may either ask you to do recorded presentations, or we can do presentations like this, like this virtual session. I haven't decided about that yet. But the important thing here, well, we need not to worry about that right now. Just think about your midterm for now. The only thing I'm concerned about your post midterm presentation is your preparation. If you remember, I already talked about this idea that for your post midterm presentation, I will ask you to talk about your favorite columnist and reasons for liking that columnist. And I already told you that this is a time taking thing. This is a kind of assignment that requires a lot of research and a lot of reading on your part. So what I want to ask you today is, how is your preparation for that coming along? Have you been preparing? Have you been reading columns? Are you at a stage where you can actually decide, okay, this is my favorite columnist. I like this person's writing. I have read a lot of articles by this person, and I like him or her for these reasons. How is your preparation coming along? Talk about that, please. Have you been reading?
No, ma'am.
Okay, if you have seen my last lecture, like last recorded lecture that I uploaded very last day before winter break began, which it was about reading Sunday magazine of the news in detail. So please talk about your preparation for that question. How is that coming along? If you have any problem, if you have any question, if you have any concerns, any comments, any suggestions, talk about that.
Ma'am, as you have told us that we have to read the New York Times, but it wasn't opening for I started reading articles, but it was not open for everybody. So then I shifted to Dawn.
What problem did you have? What was the
Ma'am,
problem?
ma'am, they say that we have to pay to read articles like in New York Times.
Well, that is strange. That is strange. I asked library to share password with me. Maybe they have ended the subscription. I'll see. I'm in the university. I'll call their office today to recheck with them. And in the meantime, what you can do is please try changing your device. So for example, if you have been trying reading the New York Times on your computer, since it has remembered your computer and it knows that you have used this device multiple times to access their newspaper, try reading it on your phone.
Okay, ma'am.
That will work. That should definitely work. Okay? Or iPad or any other device that you have. Just change your device and you should be able to open it up there. Okay, Khadija?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Sorry, Shaista. Okay. All right, folks. Do you have any other question? Let me see if people have any question in the chat box. No, not so far. If you do not have any question, may I end the session now?
Yes.
Okay, before I end the session, I want to ask you one last thing. How have you been preparing yourself for the writing session? You know, for your midterm exam, there is going to be a section where I will ask you to write. How have you been, like, how are you preparing yourself for that question? Okay, let me tell you one thing. Most students take that section really easy in my experience, but that is the section where most students tend to lose marks. You know, this is writing. You will be assessed for your writing. You will be assessed for your performance in terms of language accuracy, grammar accuracy, and so many other things. What you can do for the preparation of that question is take just open up editorial page of any newspaper on your computer screen, read an editorial or any letter to the editor or any column, read the first paragraph, read it 4 to 5 times, and then put the newspaper aside and write that thing in your own words. Try writing it in your own words. All right. And that is the best practice that you can do to prepare yourself for that question. Okay? Please do that a couple times in order to prepare yourselves for your exam. Any other question? Okay, if you do not have any question, then I'm going to end the session. I wish you very best for your exam. I'm not going to teach you any new content for this week because I know you will be busy preparing for your exam. Just keep reading, keep doing your research, and if you have any question, do not hesitate to write an email to me. All right?
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you and goodbye.